Hello, right, I've been running a competition to win a Wallbox Pulsar Max charger with installation for some lucky person in the UK. And now we're going to do the grand unveiling of the winner. So,
Can I just say something? I can see, this is not a very good hat because I can see some of the names.
Well, just close your eyes when you pick it.
Yeah, I know, but you know, normally you gotta put,
I know,
because maybe you put your friend up on the top.
Yeah, no, okay, look. This is the only hat I could find. This is my fancy hat. It's not fancy at all, is it? My hat from Greece.
It's an ugly hat.
Yeah, anyway.
So who will pick it?
So
and now we're gonna pick the winner of the whatever battery solar charger.
It's not a battery.
What is it?
It's a Wallbox. It's a charger, an EV charger, a home charger.
Benissimo. And Aurelia will pick one with her eyes closed. Go.
Okay.
Are you picking or you? Otherwise I pick it. Yes.
This one.
Okay, and the winner is
David Westwood Harrison from Sutton Coldfield.
from Sutton. So I'll be going to Sutton Coldfield, and I look forward to seeing you, David, for the installation of the Wallbox Pulsar Max.
This double surname makes me think he's already rich and he doesn't need it for free.
Thank you to everyone who entered. There were hundreds and hundreds of entries, and I was really amazed actually with how many people entered, so that's great. Thank you very much for watching. Please press the subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified of other videos, including the installation of the Wallbox Pulsar Max. Thank you very much. Bye for now.